Hello, and welcome to the Pharmacy Times News Network. I'm Nicole Grisano, your host for our Pharmacy Week in Review. The American Society of Health System Pharmacists summer meeting starts this weekend in Boston from June 8th to 12th, and Pharmacy Times will be on location to deliver coverage. The meeting offers plenty of opportunities to attend informative sessions covering everything from patient care to medication safety and more. One key session you will want to look for is The Psychology of Pain, Managing Expectations and Offering Solutions, which examines practices for treating pain and opportunities for collaboration between pharmacists and other healthcare providers on medical teams. Another session is On the Front Lines of Safety, Implementing a Pharmacy-Based Opioid Clinic, which evaluates the opportunity for clinical pharmacy practice expansion in opioid safety and risk mitigation. Check back for updates at pharmacytimes.com, in our daily e-newsletters, and on our social media channels, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter, for articles and videos from Boston. Contemporary Clinic will be covering the American Diabetes Association's 79th Scientific Sessions at the Moscone Center in San Francisco from June 7th to June 11th. The meeting will feature new findings and significant advances in diabetes research, treatment, and care. During the 5-day conference, attendees will have access to more than 180 sessions and 2,000 original research presentations to engage with leaders in diabetes care. Attendees will also have the opportunity to network with colleagues from around the world and exchange ideas. The meeting will also feature key findings from highly anticipated study announcements, including new data on cardiovascular prevention trials. Continuing education credit will also be available on-site for healthcare professionals in attendance. Keep an eye on contemporaryclinic.com for updates on informational sessions and research about the latest diabetes drugs, along with interviews of key opinion leaders. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to stay up to date. Instituting combination antiretroviral therapy during the early stages of HIV infection may generate functional CD8 killer T cells and preserve CD4 helper T cells, which are the virus's primary target, Specialty Pharmacy Times reported. In a study, hyperacute HIV infection was detected in 46 of the participants, who were women primarily from South Africa. 26 of these participants began receiving ART within 24 to 48 hours of initial detection. 8 participants began receiving ART at later stages of infection, and 12 began treatment when CD4 T cells dropped below 350, the standard treatment guideline for South Africa at the time. Although immediate HIV-specific CD8 T cell response of women receiving early ART was much less intense than those whose treatment began later, that response remained functional and persistent. This was indicated by continued expression of genes associated with key antiviral cytokines. Understanding what constitutes a good immune response to HIV provides important information for vaccine design and could guide the development of interventions to achieve these kinds of responses in chronic infections. Pharmacists may get more questions about Trintellix if patients have seen a recent commercial for the prescription medication. In the spot called Dirty Laundry, the narrator says that depression's multiple symptoms can drain a patient's energy and focus on a constant basis. According to the commercial, Trintellix is a prescribed medication that can help those who suffer from major depressive disorder when taken regularly as prescribed. For more great coverage and practical information for today's pharmacist, visit our website and sign up for our daily e-news. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thanks for watching our Pharmacy Week in Review. I'm Nicole Grisano at the Pharmacy Times News Network.